the guy from India doing in Puno?
We are riding the world.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How
so
long you been on the road?
6 months.
Yeah. Where did you start?
One world, one ride.
Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna go to La Paz. I am not tired. I'm breathless because we are at the height of 14,000 above sea level. It is something like you are in Pangong. Yeah. This has also got the freshwater lake at that height. This place. And anyways, I hope we descend soon because the air is thin and it is very difficult to breathe. Today's border crossing, we will cross Bolivia today, and the distance is 243 kilometers. Travel riding time will be 4 hours, 4-5 hours plus border crossing. So hope for the best, and at the border I'll tell you what is the procedure. So till then, this is fun.
Lake of oxygen on high altitude in the town of Puno, that is the last biggest town of Peru country, and we are leaving the Peru today, but Devubai got some oxygen problem, so the hotel arranged the oxygen and he is taking the oxygen.
Okay, so I had to take some oxygen because मेरी हालत खराब हो गई थी. Still, I'm breathing heavy. और यहाँ से लिफ्ट. हाँ दीजिए.
हाँ.
यहाँ से लिफ्ट बोला था ना.
हाँ.
अच्छा हो गया रे, ऑक्सीजन लिया रे. दीजिए.
हाँ.
ये पहली बार ये पूरा राइड में ना, पहली बार मैं ऐसा वीक फील हुआ.
हाँ, जैसा मैं हुआ था कुछ को आते वक्त.
हाँ, कुछ को आते वक्त तेरा जैसा हालत करा ना.
हाँ.
मेरा तो साला स्टार्टिंग में ढिचकिया हो गया था. मैं वो ऑक्सीजन लिया ना,
हाँ.
थोड़ा बेटर फील हो रहा है. मैं तो सुबह तो सांस लेने को नहीं हो रहा था यार.
मैंने उसको बोला लड़के को,
हाँ.
कि वो मेरे फ्रेंड को तकलीफ हो रही, तू बैग लेके जा उसको ऑक्सीजन. तो वो अल्टीट्यूड.
हाँ, अल्टीट्यूड में प्रॉब्लम है ना. ये लीजिए वो रास्ता पकड़ने का अपने को.
हाँ.
ये पेरू का पेंगोंग लेक. ये भी बोलते हैं कि हाईएस्ट अल्टीट्यूड में लेक है. ये अपना पेंगोंग में एक और एक इधर है.
अच्छा.
तो मेरे को लुइस बोल रहा था.
क्या?
ओ लुइस कौन सा, वो फर्नांडो बोल रहा था. अरे तो तुम लोग तो उधर हो वर्ल्ड हाईएस्ट अल्टीट्यूड लेक में. मैं बोला भाई वर्ल्ड हाईएस्ट पेंगोंग इंडिया में. ये सेकंड हाईएस्ट होगा. ऐसे 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 मौके पे इंडिया का लाल कर देने का क्या? डीजे बहुत बड़ा लेक है रे.
तेरे को मैं बोला तो था, वहाँ कल की समुद्र जैसा दिख रहा है.
हाँ, देख कहाँ तक जाता है. ब्यूटीफुल. डीजे.
हाँ, देखा.
लेफ्ट में देख, पूरा लेक दिखता है ऊपर से.
लेक है ना, वहाँ बताया था लेक है, और इनका इसका भी कुछ है उधर
ओके.
हाँ, 2.2 पे था ना.
हाँ.
इनका था.
अरे यार कितना भी इनकम उनका हो गया ना.
हाँ, अभी तेरे को इनका पूरा बोलीविया में भी मिलेगा.
हाँ. अरे वो अर्जेंटीना, वो बोला ना वो गाइड बोली थी ना, इनका पूरा अर्जेंटीना, बोलीविया, ये पूरा साउथ अमेरिका. साउथ अमेरिका रूल करने के लोग. जहाँ पे स्पेनिश आके बजा डाले सबके. वो ब्रिज मेरे को बोला था ब्रिज क्रॉस करके बोलिविया साइड है. मैं इधर रुका हूँ डीजे. हाँ तू जा क्या फिर मैं जाता हूँ तू रुकना. हाँ. So we are at the Peru border. Behind me is the immigration. DJ is standing in the line and I'm riding the bikes. When he finishes checking out of Peru, then I'll go. I'm getting breathless a bit. We are at some 13,000 feet above sea level.
What is the guy from India doing in Puno?
We are riding the world.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
How
so
long you been on the road?
6 months.
Yeah. Where did you start?
India?
Oh, really? Wow.
How'd you get across the water? Is there a bridge?
No. We flew our motorcycles from Barcelona to New York and from New York.
Oh, wow. And then came across the U.S. and
Yes.
through Mexico?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we're coming from Alaska.
Oh, wow. I wanted to do.
Wow, it's the same as you. Oh, wow.
No, we wanted to do Alaska, but we got a bit delayed
Yeah.
due to the permissions and
The time to go there is the last week of May.
yeah.
It's the best time to go. There's the last week of May, the first week of June. There's the rains have stopped and the mosquitoes aren't there yet.
Okay.
Are you still going to go to Alaska?
No. Now I'm from. So we shipped our bikes to New York.
Oh, to Africa.
From New York to San Francisco and then down. We're going till Argentina, Buenos Aires, ship our motorcycles to Australia, ride Australia, then Vietnam,
Yeah.
Thailand, back India.
Oh, very good timing.
Hello.
Spanish?
No English.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Babe. India.
Hindi.
Passport?
Yes.
Migración? Finish. Okay.
I will have to go for immigration.
He no immigration.
I'll
Migración primero, ¿ya?
Ah.
Entonces, migración, next.
to you. Okay.
Lo voy a revisar.
मैं जाके आता हूँ. दीजिए.
रुक अभी मेरे को जाना है ऑफिस. स्टील लगाएगी कुछ तरह.
¿Vienes conmigo?
Okay. You guys are here?
Yeah. We'll watch your stuff.
Watch this stuff. DJ, इन लोग हैं देख रहे. मैं इमिग्रेशन मार के आता हूँ.
Hello, where are you going?
Bolivia. Debashish. Yes. Gosh. Yeah. That's all?
Sí. Firma. Ya es todo. Esto
That's
se
it?
queda.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ya, cuídese.
Thank you.
Buen viaje.
Thank you. Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias. Está bien.
Bye bye. This is the immigration office, and that is where you go and stamp your motorcycle. Nice. All right, Bolivia. Here we come. Okay. डीजे इधर लगाने का डीजे. Okay, so requirement for Bolivia visa: A, your bank statement; B, your hotel reservation. I don't know what are we gonna do about that, but bank statement, yellow fever certificate. Luckily, we got it from Honduras. Thank you, Luis Fernando. You literally forced us to take the yellow fever certificate. Yeah, and immigration, and then 2 hours job. DJ is gone and I'm watching the bikes, and then I'm gonna go. Bank statement. Please carry your bank statement. You never know who's gonna ask you what. Ugh. This is boring. But still, waiting. They are willing to give us the visa. $60 is the official fees and $100 under the table. Rishwat, bribe per person. So it is $160. That is what DJ told me. He's gone again back to get a Xerox copy of the passport with the Bolivian stamp. I don't know what the fuck is this problem here. I don't understand why these people are so difficult. Seriously? A Xerox copy of the passport with Bolivian stamp in it? Damn. Let him come back and I'll talk on the way. I got the Bolivia visa. It cost me $100, and now I'm going back to get a photocopy of the Bolivian visa and the exit of Peru. Ay. Fuckers want a copy of this for my permission. Son of a bitch. What the fuck? Such a pain in the ass. Finally we managed to get it. This was the longest border ever, and that is the place where you get your bike's permission. And welcome to Bolivia. Hala, DJ.
चल
सारा सबसे ज्यादा टाइम लगा है अभी तक का है।
6 घंटे से ऊपर हुआ।
हाँ खतरनाक नीचे उतार है भाई।
हाँ
फर्स्ट पे ले लो। भाई इधर तो केबल कार बहुत चल रहा है। मेरे को लगता है बोलिविया का
पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यही है पास में। हाँ मेरे को लगता है।
बस सही है यार। Okay guys, so we have finally reached the hotel. The hotel is Hotel Europa, nice hotel. They gave us a 50% discount, seeing our state. It is costing us $100. The price is 200 something, but the manager was kind enough to give us $100 discount, so that was nice. Yeah, to all the travelers who are riding to Bolivia, just make sure that you have a hotel reservation on paper. They will make your life miserable without that. There are so many riders who were in the border getting hassled because of that. So there are 5 documents you need to have. One is your yellow fever card, make a copy of it. Motorcycle registration papers, make a copy of it. Passport, make a copy of it. And bank statement, make a copy of it. And the hotel reservation, if you're going to La Paz or anywhere, wherever you are staying, hotel reservation, make a copy of it. So 5 things you need to have, and they're gonna make you run around. That is a different issue altogether. But then, yeah, finally, it took us 6 hours more than that, but still we made it, and I'm really pooped out, and it rained to top of it. So to all the lovely people who are watching this video, I hope the information was helpful. Bolivia is a pain in the ass, the borders. Just make sure that you have these 5 copies with you. Okay, it will be easier. And then they're gonna make you run around for. After that also they're gonna make you run around when they give you the visa, and then you will have to go back again, submit a copy of the visa and the exit permit of Peru. So these are the documents you need to have. Make sure you have them. So I hope this video will be helpful to all the riders who are going to Bolivia. And to all the lovely people who are watching this, thank you very much for watching, and love you all. Bye bye.
One world, one ride.
माँ क्या खड़ा चढ़ा हुआ है यार। हो फक डीजे सही जा रहे ना।
हाँ
निकाल ओह शिट।